Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UAVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price movement pretty straightforward. Essentially a pump and dump, and I'll explain what I mean by essentially. Now, when I say pump and dump, I don't mean that towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based solely on how the price is acted, hence price action. So from a price action perspective, I think we can all agree with the definition of, at least I think most people would adopt it, that a pump and dump is where a price makes a great move. That was definitely a great move, no doubt about that. And then all of a sudden, within a relatively short amount of time, and considering this all happened in the time span of 1 day, the price is all of a sudden right back to essentially where it started. But again, there's that word again, essentially, because technically speaking, to be fair, something like this could occur where the price stays up above that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. So it stays up above there and then starts to work its way back upwards. And in that event, what would that give you? Well, that would give you a set of lows here. You'd have these lows down there, and if you picture these as stair steps, okay, fine. To be fair, from the big picture perspective, that still would be, stair steps being built in the upwards direction. However, for most people, I think they probably don't care about that. But like I said, to be fair, yeah, that's still a possibility. With all that being said, though, in the event the price breaks below the purple line and continues on down, at that point, it's putting the price right back to where the price was, and that is the epitome of a pump and dump. So sure, technically speaking, the price hasn't quite gone back to where it started, but it's sitting pretty close, and that 50-period simple moving average right now valid at 75 cents is definitely a must-hold level for those reasons going forward. So we'll see if the bulls can recover, but yeah, as of now, things are looking pretty ugly. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.